how to buy official Barron token. So this token came under the symbol of Barron. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Now, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, you can find this post on the REFERRAL account. As you can see, this is the contract address, and this contract address is under the Solana network. Now, as you can see, if you see here this username, it's called Baron of Solana. So as you can see, this contract address is under the Solana network. Now copy the contract address here and open your function wallet for that. First of all, log into your wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, just click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, and now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Now, as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. After that, what you need to do, just select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here, the price, the fees, the price impact, and the slippage. Now, after that, what you need to do, click on swap here, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. So this is how to buy Barron token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.